How to use cash out bonus on bet365. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use cash out or how you can cash out on bet365. Well, the process is simple. First, you want to head into bet365 and there you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in here, once you have enough funds to withdraw or you have the funds that you wish to withdraw, what you can do is on your home page you should be able to see the deposit and withdraw tab. Now I haven't met any deposit and my account is not verified, so I'm not getting it here. But if you do not get it here, even if you are verified, you can tap on your profile tab and you should find the withdraw option here. You'll find the withdrawable amount. You can see I don't have any. Now then tap on withdraw and select the preferred withdrawal method. Then if you have selected bank, enter in your bank details, or if you have selected card, enter in your card details and you can make the withdrawal. Proceed through the prompts. So this is how you can use cash out on bet365. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.